people should be looking at their money, where their money is, once a month at least. I mean, like 1 hour a month. This is all we're talking about. So if you have your money in, a retirement account, if you're invested in the stock market, if your retirement is invested, you need to be looking at all of these things once a month. I mean, nobody's saying that you have to be like some kind of a day trader with your finances, but you need to be looking at your finances once a month. Look at your cash inflows, look at your cash outflows. Are there any adjustments you need to make? Even down to the stupid things like what subscriptions do I have that I haven't been paying attention to? But then on top of it, look at your retirement account. That's something that Kenny and I both do. We look at our retirement accounts, like if we have other things invested, like life insurance policies and other things like this, we're looking at
stocks are like on my phone. I can just look and go, hey, I can tell you, I know what I bought it, where it's at. It's like I can look at it every day.
Exactly.
Crystal, I think it's like 70% or 50, whatever the number is, couldn't even tell you who their financial advisor is. Couldn't even tell you the last time they've, I look at my statement. They don't even know what's in the statement.
Exactly. So my point is that you want to get involved in your financial well-being if you haven't already. And it literally can take you 1 hour a month. Everybody has 1 hour a month to do that.